In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Heygen video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find your project, confirm it's ready, choose the right quality, and save it to your computer with confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Heygen. In the results, look for the official Heygen site. If you see ads or lookalike pages, skip those and choose the legitimate link so you land on the proper dashboard later. Once the site loads, click Sign In. Use the same account you used to create or manage your videos so your projects appear correctly. After you're signed in, head to the Projects area. This is where all your videos are organized, and it's the quickest way to get to the one you want to download. Find the specific video you want to save. Pay close attention to its status. It must be fully rendered before you can download it. You're looking for a status that says Ready. If it still shows processing or rendering, give it a little time. You can stay on the page or refresh periodically until it switches to Ready. Downloading early won't work, so waiting here saves you from errors or partial files. When the video shows Ready, move your mouse over the video card and click the three dots, also known as the More Options menu. This opens additional actions for that video without changing anything on the project itself. From there, open Advanced Settings and choose your resolution. Higher resolutions like 1080p give you a crisper image and look better on larger screens, but the file size will be larger and the download may take a bit longer. Lower resolutions like 720p are smaller and faster to download, which can be great for quick sharing or storage savings. If you're not sure which to pick, match the original project output or choose the highest available for best quality. With the resolution selected, click Download. The file will begin preparing and then start transferring to your computer. Keep your browser open while it processes, especially for longer videos. You may see a progress indicator, and once it's done, your video will be saved as a standard file you can play, edit, or share. That's all there is to it. Search for Heygen, sign in, go to Projects, make sure the video is ready, open the three-dot menu, choose your resolution under Advanced Settings, and download. If a video isn't ready, just wait a moment and try again. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your freshly downloaded Heygen video.